Hello friends! In previous video we saw how to register and add cash in FCL games. In today's video we will see how to play and create team in FCL games. So here we go! So now here you can see two columns. One is of cricket and the other one is of football. I will go to cricket section. In cricket section I will select India versus Australia from the below matches. Now you can see various contests available over here. You can scroll down to see more. So now scroll up and let's start with the first one. You must be thinking what makes this contest so special. This contest is special because you can play this for free and it has winning prize of 5,000 rupees. I mean, isn't it amazing? This is the best options for beginners like me. And you are going to win guaranteed prize from this. So what can be better, no? So let's go. So now let's see how to play this. First of all, we will need to create our team. So click on create team. So now you get all these available options over here for selecting your team's wicketkeeper, batsman, all-rounder and bowler. So now let's create our team. I am selecting players just to show you the process. But when you play, please select the players carefully so that you can win the maximum prize money, right? So after selecting your player, click on Team Preview. Here you can see all the players of your team. So after previewing our team, we will click back and continue. At the top, you can see there are two options given. One is C, which means captain, and the other one is VC, which means vice captain. You will get 2 times points for your captain and 1.5 time points for your vice captain. So now let's open preview again. You can see in preview that C can be seen on the selected captain and VC can be seen on the selected vice captain. Now go back and click on save team. You can see your team is shown as team 1. Here you can create multiple teams by clicking on the below create team button. Now click on the checkbox to select your team. After doing that, click on join contest. You can see the entry fee over here is 0 and even after that you will be winning guaranteed prizes. I mean, isn't that wow? So now we will click on join contest. After that we will go to home page and at the bottom you can see there are 4 options given. From these 4 options, click on my contest. You can see the match we have selected, that is India versus Australia, is being displayed over here. Here you can also see 2 other options, which is cricket and football, wherein you can see 3 menus: upcoming, live and completed. Our match is upcoming, that's why it is being shown in upcoming menu. If the match is live, it will be shown in live menu, and if the match has already been completed, it will be shown in completed one. Now we will go to wallet, where you can see all the information about your wallet. You can see that my balance is 75 rupees, which is earned as my bonus, and my deposit shows 0. Now click on more, where you can check for support, terms and conditions, fantasy point system, how to play, FAQs about the game and for legalities and privacy policies. So after that, now let's go back to our contest. Now I will show you how to participate and play in this game. Now we will go to our selected match and we will click on it. On clicking it, this window will open up. You can see the number of people playing with you. In points column, you will be notified about your points, and in rank column about your rank. You can also see the download button beside leaderboard. You can get the printout of your point table from here. Now below you can see the option of switch team. You can easily switch your team from here. Now we'll click back, and at the top you can see all these offers. You can check all these offers out and can take advantage of any of the offers you like. So guys, this is all about the newly launched FCL games. I hope you have got everything on point, right? So enjoy playing and keep watching our videos. Thank you.